Meet Peter. Like many people in business, he's sick and tired of his website not generating customers and not knowing what to do about it. His previous efforts have all been a disaster, a complete waste of time and money. Of course, Peter knows new customers are the lifeblood of his business, but he is so frustrated. His competitors outrank him. He doesn't understand why. And if his rankings drop any further, he'll have no new customers at all and risk going out of business. So he did something very different to get a different result, and now has soaring profits that have turbocharged his business. Peter is now one happy businessman. After implementing our 9 ridiculously simple strategies to turbocharge his business, Peter's now getting more highly targeted traffic to his website and has been able to increase the number of new customers by a massive 67% with little extra time or effort. So be as smart as Peter and many other businesses we have helped since 2009. Discover how you can get 67% more customers by implementing our 9 ridiculously simple strategies that we will give you for free in our ebook website lead generator. Fill in the form below to immediately receive your copy of Website Lead Generator. And best of all, it's free.